I'm so excited to be doing my first YouTube video. I figured I'd do my first video showing what preschool curriculum I'm going with for my 3-year-old. I'm Amy, a homeschooling mom. I have a daughter in kindergarten, a daughter in pre-K, and a 3-year-old son in the mix. And this fall, I'm going to incorporate a little gentle curriculum for my 3-year-old to use. He's been asking to do schoolwork. He loves seeing his sisters do their work. And so I researched, trying to find the best fit for us. One that wouldn't be time consuming. One, it didn't require a lot of prep and honestly activities, because we do a lot of crafts, we do a lot of art things, we do a lot of electives that he gets to participate in. I didn't want a lot more on my plate when I'm trying to homeschool my girls. I decided to go with Memoria Press, their preschool curriculum. This is for ages 2 to 3. I love that it is literature based. It's so many books. I'll get into all the books that I'm going to be needing for this curriculum, but my son loves flipping through books. He loves being read stories. So this is going to be perfect for us. And I love that a lot of the books are board books, so he can't like rip the pages and damage them too much. Now I want to say with this curriculum that there are a lot of books that you will need. I did buy the curriculum. I want to say it was like less than $30 or something like that, but super affordable just to get this. If you order it, you get the book just like this. You could order a whole bundle that comes with all the books plus the curriculum. What I did was I just bought this from the website, ordered like half the books from Amazon and then half the books from Thrift Books. And I did have a few books already that I owned. So that is how I did it. And it was a lot cheaper doing it that way. Of course, you could thrift books and maybe find some of these books, but also you could also go week to week. Each week you focus on just one book. So you could put a hold at your library or just get a book each week if you don't want to buy them. So there's so many different cost-effective ways to do this curriculum instead of buying a whole bundle and buying all these books. I wanted to buy them because I want to build our home library, and I figured it'd be great to just have these on hand, especially if he loves a book. And when he gets older, I can just sell the whole bundle or give it away to a mom who wants to do this curriculum. So let's get into what books you actually need for the curriculum. You need Big Dog, Little Dog, The Very Busy Spider, The Best Mouse Cookie, Color Shapes, Little Fur Family, Mr. Brown Can Moo, Can You, Good Night Moon, Brown Bear, Where Do You See, One is One, The Animals Christmas Eve, Gary's Cars and Trucks from A to Z, Jesus Knows Me, Hand, Fingers, Thumb, My First Counting Book, Very First Book of Shapes, Seuss's ABC, Bunny's Noisy Book, Goodnight Gorilla, Put Me in the Zoo, Polar Bear, What Do You See, Jesus Hears Me, From Head to Toe, Big Red Barn, A Children's Treasury of Nursery Rhymes, The Classic Tale of Peter Rabbit. So these are all the books that you're going to need for the curriculum. Them from the library. You can purchase the whole bundle, or you can even buy each book maybe a month at a time. So there's so many ways if you're wanting a cost-effective curriculum and not wanting to spend a lot of money, different ways that you can do this to make it cost-effective. So I'm going to turn the camera around and do a flip through and just show you the whole curriculum, what it looks like inside, how the lessons are set up. This is the curriculum. C is the book list. So you're going to need the core curriculum, which is this book, along with prayers for children. Here are all the read alouds that you will need. It's going to show building skills, just giving you different things that you can work on with your child. Cognitive development. You have social, emotional, fine motor, gross motor. In this curriculum, there are 34 weeks, so it's broken up by week. It's telling you what book. I do want to say that this curriculum is faith-based, so you can see the first week we are focusing on the book Jesus Is With Me, is this book. So what you could do if you didn't want to do that is you could just look at the weeks where it has those books. I believe there's only 3 books, and you could just choose not to do those weeks. Is a supply list. I love when curriculums have this, so you can know by week what you're going to need. So again, it's broken up by week, what you're going to need, and what the items. So I love that it tells you the lesson. So it's under the calendar section. You're going to need a calendar. For fine motor, it's telling you what you're going to need for that segment of the lesson. So all the way down by week. And you're able to like prep, whether you like to prep a year in advance or prep week to week or month to month. It's just nice to know that you have it all laid out here for you. Is preschool wonder and language, some teacher notes, get into week 1. So up here, we already know that the read aloud book is Jesus Is With Me, this book right here. And then you're going to do a prayer. So again, if you didn't want it to be faith-based, you could skip over that. You're going to do a prayer, calendar time, recitation. Again, that's a memory verse, the alphabet lesson, number lesson, oral language and literature, fine motor, gross motor, and enrichment. So this would be one lesson for day 1. This goes day 1 to day 4. I love this because we only homeschool Monday to Thursday. And again, you'd move in. And you're focusing on the same book for the whole week, but each day it's something different you're focusing on after you read it. So that is literally how it's laid out for every single week. Again, it's telling you the read aloud book. It's like week 7, same thing. Very similar. Love that. The option they have at the book is 8-week review, optional. So if there's some things that you think your child needs areas to work on, it has all these optional activities you can do for review under each section. So here is that whole list. And then in the back they have 8 weeks of this, so you're able to like plug in what you want to work on and like can lesson plan directly in here for the 8 weeks of review. That's the gist of this curriculum. This is Memoria Press, their preschool curriculum, ages 2 to 3. I'm super excited to try this in the fall. After we've used it for a bit, I'll definitely do an updated video sharing our thoughts, you know, every couple months just to give an update on how we're liking it. But I'm super excited to use this. It's going to be a great way to ease my son into homeschooling, but also like setting a routine, because this is every single week, everything is laid out the same. The content might be different, but it gives him a good idea of like, this is what a routine looks like, this is what a schedule looks like. So that way when we go into pre-K and kindergarten, he already knows like sitting still for at least 10 minutes and etc. I do have these books linked in my Amazon storefront under Memoria Press Curriculum, but if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.